this isn't your typical car show. So you got Jason and Jason, you got Shane Lester, and you got myself. We're going to go around picking our favorite cars. It isn't because it's got the most chrome. It isn't because its numbers matching. Most of us have completely different taste. This is for fun. We all like completely different things. They look at one thing, I look at something completely different, even though my way is usually right. So we're going to be coming around, we're going to be judging the cars and just looking for our personal favorite. It don't mean nothing for no, Jason likes stuff sitting on the ground and I happen to like stuff with a prettier stance. So don't take it personally if you don't get picked. It isn't that type of car show. But we are going to be looking at it from 4 different views. So, and listen, Andrew Diesel out here, they're the main sponsor of this event. You need to go check them out as well. We brought the big blue car in the center. It is not a race car. It is a street car that we race. 2 seats, cup holders, cell phone charger. It's a bad mamma jamma. Jason Livery's right there. Shane's hiding in the corner. I saw him. There's the other Jason. So if you see him, there's Shane over there. Don't be afraid to talk about your car because they're going to be picking out their favorite cars. So, guys, this is Thin Ice. They kill it. You guys ready to rock it out of the park?
Yes, sir.
Give it up one time for SB Tools and Thin Ice. Same week next year, Jason and I get to come?
Absolutely.
We gonna do drag races out here? Shane was talking some shit. I think we need to put him in his place next year. Oh, there he is. I better hush up.
Well, the Mississippi Outlaws always talk shit when they bring it.
Yeah. He ain't even paying attention. We got an annual thing next year. You and I go drag race right here. All right, we got everybody put together here. First of all, I want to say you guys got, for a small little town, you guys got some badass cars for a small town. And I know we all picked different cars for different reasons. So what I'm going to do is, instead of just calling out a number, I'm going to have each guy sort of explain what his reason was. Because a lot of these car shows are real political, and they go, oh, it's got best paint or a bunch of chrome, and all that's baloney. So here we go with Shane Lester from the Street Outlaw.
So there's a 49 GMC over there. There's 2 number, the way it's laid out, there's actually 2 number 37s, but it's number 37. And it's a 49 GMC pickup over there. Straight across. I don't know who, I don't know.
Amy on the tire.
Does it say Amy? Yeah, 49.
All right, you picked a woman. Good job, baby.
It's a beautiful truck. Yeah.
Right here?
I like, what was it, number 14 was the red Camaro.
69?
Yeah, over here on the back side. Super clean, love that car. Just bodywork, phenomenal, super clean, paint, everything. You know, I'm a paint guy, so, you know, I really enjoy looking at it. Congratulations.
Yeah, all right.
Get it. Right here, guys.
Jason Hensley, I know you you got a bunch of heartfelt stuff when it comes to looking at stuff, so go ahead.
I've looked around, man. There's a lot of really good stuff out here. I gotta say my favorite belongs to my buddy right here with his 40 Ford with amazing paint on it. Come on up, buddy. This guy's got a 40 Ford, leather interior, beautiful paint, got real fine paint, air conditioning. You know it's a nice driver, just a phenomenal little car, buddy. Good job.
Thank you very much.
Where's your this one right here?
Yes.
Yep. There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Man, I'm going to tell you my favorite. Again, you know, we do these shows where it gets so political, and I don't believe in that. Not for this kind of stuff. A lot of times it's heartfelt. Like Jason, you know, there was a story behind that. The paint, the guy that did the flames. I mean, one of the original, you know, real flame stuff. So for me, I built a clear trailer 10 years ago for another company. Got rid of that clear trailer, and the company went under, and I got the trailer back. And we built an old school car. I love front engine dragsters. We built one for the street. Love the old school drag cars. Then here we get a clear trailer pull in with an old school drag car in the trailer. It just hit home with me. So right here in the clear trailer with the drag car is truly where, you know, to me it just sort of made sense. I'm in a clear trailer, he's in a clear trailer. Old guys hang out together, that's right. So come on up here. And I love it. I grew up with this particular car, so I know the car. Come look at the thing there.
Right here.
Can I get in the picture too with you? Is it okay if I get in here with you? It's okay.
All right.
Dude, I love the car, I love the trailer. And let me tell you something else. We all build cars, hot rods, paint, do all kinds of stuff. We go to shows all the time, and I promise it's drying on the way, or you're putting it together when you get to the event. Jason went, man, I love the trailer. He touched it, and the silicone was still wet on the trailer. I mean, it was finished at 2 a.m. this morning, so sort of hits home for us. So, guys, again, for us, you know, we got a big thing, but now we've got Andrew's here. I'm sorry, Andrew D. So come on up, tell us your pick and who your favorite was.
So I like a new age vehicle. We do a lot of accessories, and I picked the Toyota Supra number 35.
Number 30, there it is, the new Supra. Let's get a couple pictures with you guys.
On behalf of the entire Cutting Edge crew, I just wanted to say thank you. We're really humbled with the turnout. You know, we're really happy that everybody came. Hopefully you really enjoyed yourself. I would love to say that this was because of me, but it wasn't. It was my crew. They really killed it. Did a great job putting all this together. Bill did okay. No, Bill spearheaded this along with Brian.
Yep.
Vivian. So everything that you guys saw in the showroom, Vivian put that entire thing together herself. So really happy with my crew. Also wanted to let everybody know this 50 millimeter wrench is part of the awards. So everybody that got an award will get this. The reason you're not taking it with you is we're going to have it engraved with your name or whatever you want inscribed on it. So we've got it. We had to know who was going to win before we could engrave it. So we'll get the contact info and make sure that we get these sent out to you as soon as we get it back from the engravers. So thank you for everybody coming out. We're really looking forward to doing this next year.